Hello, everyone, and a warm namaste to each one of you. My name is Padmaja, and today I would like to share with you all a very powerful practice called the Cycle of 20. It's a breathing practice which can help you boost your immunity. And we all know the importance of keeping our immune levels high in these times of COVID. And what happens when we are stressed? Stress is the biggest cause for people's immunity levels to be down. All of us know that. What happens when you get stressed? When you get stressed, your brain is secreting the stress hormones. And I'm going to keep it really simple. Okay. So let's not get into the extreme scientific aspect of it. So, when stress hormones are secreted by your brain, your circulatory system is flooded by the stress hormones, and your brain decides that I need to, go to the fight or flight response. And so, what it does it directs the circulation or the blood flow through your to your hands and to your legs, and the circulation to your immune system and to your digestive system is stopped completely. Okay, that is why when you feel anxious and stressed, you have an uncomfortable feeling in your stomach, and you are susceptible to falling ill when you are in prolonged periods of stress. So understanding this is so important because it will keep reminding us of doing all the things that we can keep ourselves out of stress so that we are able to manage any kind of situation in today's time in the best possible way. Okay. So when you do this practice of breathing, the oxygen levels are boosted in your bloodstream. Okay. And that is going to help the immune system also to support you in the best possible manner. So, what is this practice about? This practice, called the Cycle of 20, is a short version of a practice called conscious breathing or rebirthing breath work. It is a very powerful way for you to boost the oxygen levels in your body instantly in a matter of half a minute or 1 minute. Okay, so this is something that you can do anywhere at any point of time, and you can do it any number of times in the day. Okay, let me break it down for you in a simple manner. The cycle of 20 is 5 breaths and repeated 4 times. So, 4 sets of 5 breaths. And each set has 4 fast breaths and 1 slow breath. Okay, so I will demonstrate to you one set of 5 breaths first, and then I will complete the cycle of 20. Okay, so it involves you taking breath forcefully inside and then emptying yourself quick enough to take in the next breath. Okay, but the last breath, the slow one, is done in a very slow way where you stress on active inhalation and allow passive exhalation. Okay, so let me demonstrate it to you right now. This is one cycle. Now we'll complete 3 more cycles. Take a few moments to be still and to notice all the sensations in your body. You will notice that there's a tingling sensation in your head, in your face. And you can repeat this. You can repeat this 4 sets of 5 breaths each. That is a cycle of 20, n number of times. And like I said, there is no specific time or day. You can do it any point of time. I would encourage you to use this tool. It is so powerful. You can instantly feel the tingling sensation and the circulation increase in your body. Right? It is also very useful when you're feeling very sleepy and tired and you've got a lot of work to do and you somehow have to keep yourself awake. So whenever I find the need to wake myself up from a drowsiness or drowsy feeling, instead of going for a cup of coffee, I practice this cycles of 20 several times, and it helps me to become alert and awake instantly. Okay, I would encourage you all to do that. And along with that, like, we hear it so much in all the news that is going around us, to inhale steam at least twice a day. If you would do that, it would be extremely beneficial for you. I wish that you all are safe and healthy, and you all are able to go through these troubled times in a kind manner, and in a way that is teaching us lessons, and it is also allowing us to help other people by keeping ourselves healthy. So the most important thing for me is to keep myself healthy so that I can be of service to other people. I wish the same for you all. Thank you and namaste.